Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can see just created coins on BullX. Also, if you guys are actively trading on BullX and you would like to save up on trading fees, you can create a new account using my link from the description below, and then you will get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts. So let's get started. Now, once you open up your BullX account, you will be on this default homepage right here, the new pairs page. So to see the coins that were just created, you would need to set these filters right here. So if we go to the created filter right here, if we click on it, now it's changed to the coins that were the oldest. So we would just need to click on it once more to see the coins that were just created, just as you can see right here. So this guys how you can see just created coins on the BullX platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.